This is a turntable, CROSLEY C100. The customer said when he's playing it, the first track of the record, he has a lot of static, skipping, clicking noise, and when it came more deep, the tracks, the sound come more better and more clear. So let's play it and see what it's doing. Okay. Yeah, it's kinda is not playing. Yeah, it's not playing. You hear how is the sound? Yeah, you hear how is the sound? That's the problem. But basically it's not playing the first ones. But so we have a problem here. He said he already adjust this one like for the 3.5 gram. Okay, let's. Nope. So, here, 3.5. And the customer already changed the needle. Oh yeah. I don't know if you can see the needle over there. There is a little gap. It's kind of hard to see in the camera, but there is a little gap in the needle. So the needle is not touching when it's in these first tracks. Okay, let's play it. I'm gonna do something. You see now it's playing. I'm gonna push here. Yeah, it's playing fine. It's clicking. So let me adjust this screw. Works fine. I want a little gap over there. Yeah, like that. Yep, it's play fine now. That's what was the problem. Yeah, it was a quick fix. So this all for this video, and see you again.